Hello and welcome, Bojan Sever. Dobrodošli.
Hello.
Welcome to the Slovenian Australia channel. You are here in Adelaide as part of the World Lace Congress. Can you tell us a little about the purpose of your visit to this Congress?
Ja, lep pozdrav. I think that the purpose of this visit is the next organization of the next Congress, 17th Idrija Congress in Ljubljana, 2016. And because we are organizer of this Congress, we must be here. But at the other time, we must be here because we need some experience how to organize this Congress.
It's a very big event.
Sure, it's a very big event because we accept more people than here in Australia, because Slovenia is to come in Slovenia is easier than here, and most of the members of the Idrija organization are from Europe, and we expect more 4 times more members in Slovenia and Ljubljana 2016.
Idrija is famous for lace making. How has Idrija gained such an excellent reputation?
Yeah, Idrija has a very long tradition in lace making because more than 300 years we have very big school, lace school. In 2016, this school celebrated 140 years of existing, and we are proud of this. We have about 400 students every year in this school. We have 9 teachers, support from the state, Slovenia, and one of this why we are successful in this is because the Idrija has Mercury mine, the second biggest on the world, and all know Idrija. And when we close the mine, we still want, because we don't produce we didn't produce mercury anymore. Now we in our tradition is lace, and 2012 the heritage of the mercury mine was inscribed in UNESCO list.
So going back to the lace school in Idrija, what age range of the students do you have?
Yeah, more or less our child. That means many children who begin with the primary school come to the lace school too. More or less are girls, but some are to the boys, about 20 boys to want to make lace.
So do they come from all over Slovenia to Idrija, or do you have lace schools elsewhere in Slovenia?
We have all lace school in the other part of the Slovenia too. That means Žiri, Železniki, that are good schools for the lace makers.
You have a lace museum in Idrija. What kind of things do you have on exhibition in that museum?
Yeah, on exhibition we have the whole history of the lace making in Idrija, more than 300 years, and we have one very big gallery about this for this exhibition, from the beginning to 300 years ago to the end now, from the fashion shows, the dresses, and this is very, very famous. I think that is the best exhibition in the world about the lace.
As you said, Idrija is also famous for mercury. When did mercury mining begin in Idrija? How many years ago?
500 years ago, start mining in Idrija. They find the mercury there, and we stopped mining 30 years ago because the mercury is very poisoned. We must stop there, but in that time when we stopped mining, the industry grew up, and we really have lucky in Idrija because we don't have unemployment people. If we look at the other miners town, where are all go down, Idrija is successful for the future too.
The mercury in Idrija, is it a special type?
Yes, mercury in Idrija is special. You find a drop of the mercury on the gardens. You can find. We still have about 13% of all storage of the mercury in the world in Idrija.
Wow.
Yes.
Also a museum for mercury?
Yes. The part of the mine, mercury mine, we have now like a tourist museum, 1.5 kilometers of the mine are for the tourists. We can show all the process of the mining in Idrija in 500 years. We have many equipments for the mining all over the town. It's very good restoration for this sites, and the UNESCO say that now that the Idrija is really good, take care about the history, take care about the miners traditional, and all this is the reason that we inscribed together with the Almadén from Spain. The Almadén from Spain was the biggest mine on the world, together inscribed in UNESCO list.
So can tourists actually go into the mine, into the mercury mine?
Yes, tourists can go to the mine. About 1 hour walking across the galleries, and it's a very, very good experience.
Now, not only is Idrija famous for lace making and mercury, but that food delicacy, žlikrofi.
Yes, sure.
How would you describe them for somebody that doesn't know about žlikrofi?
Yeah, always. What is žlikrofi? That means, for me, this is one of the best food on the world. I am really proud that because Idrija in these hills are very poor, just mining and not a lot of food, but our mothers know how to this little kind of food prepare to have a good meal. And one of these are žlikrofi. We have many others too. And this is prepared from the potato and taste. It's like ravioli, but are not ravioli. They're like Napoleon's hat.
Napoleon's hat.
Yes, yeah. And this it's really, really good with the bakalca. That means this is some goulash of goat, young goat, and this is really, really, really good taste.
So the question is, do you make žlikrofi yourself?
No, never. But I like to eat, and mother and wife must do žlikrofi every month, and because this is a lot of work to make enough žlikrofi for all family.
You mentioned other foods in Idrija. What other foods?
The other foods are smokout, želševka, habanca. That means all prepare. All these food are just come from the Idrija side. You know, it's not that is some pork meat together included with the flowers and that. And their combination are really, really good.
You have been Mayor of Idrija for a few years. What have been your, would you say, your biggest achievements so far?
We want that Idrija still grow up, that we have enough job for our people there, for the young people too, and that Idrija live with their traditional food, that used from the tradition and go to the future. Okay, I would like to give the present for the Slovenian club here in Adelaide. These are our famous lace, handmade lace for Idrija, this traditional lace, and monography about the Idrija, that means the story of the silver stream. And this is the part of our UNESCO nomination. There are all about Idrija in 500 years existing, and the CD about our. This means in Slovenian odsev v kaplici živega srebra. I would like to say thank you, Slovenian club in Adelaide, to Mr. Adrian Vatovec, because I'm really proud what they do here and in this Congress, and for all help to us here in Adelaide. Thank you very much.